Hi, welcome to the Career Sprints YouTube channel. My name is Rohit, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the PMP Application Audit. And we are also going to explain how can you pass the audit successfully the first time. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
What is the PMP Application Audit? PMI uses the audit process to verify the accuracy of your application. It's a standard part of the certification process and helps maintain the integrity of the PMP credential. It is simply a random check that PMI conducts to verify the information in your application. It doesn't mean you did anything wrong. Many qualified applicants are selected each year. What is PMI checking during the audit? PMI checks three main things during an audit. Your educational background. They want to confirm your degree or diploma. Or project management experience. They want to be sure you actually led or directed projects, and not just supported projects. Also, this is a crucial aspect of your PMP application. Your 35 contact hours. These represent training hours in project management provided by a training provider. If your information is truthful and your documents are clear, you're already on the right track. The audit checks whether you've led or directed work on real projects, although it is not necessary that you hold a project manager title. As long as you played a leadership role and used project management skills, whether in IT, HR, construction, marketing or any other field, you meet the requirement. If you're selected for an audit, here's what you need to submit to PMI. A copy of your degree or diploma. A certificate of 35 contact hours of project management training. Names and emails of references for each project you listed in your application. All documents must now be submitted online via the PMI portal. Unlike before, physical mail is no longer necessary. Once documents are submitted, PMI takes up to 5 business days to review and provide a response. When do you find out that you are selected for the audit? You'll find out immediately after submitting your PMP application whether you've been selected for an audit. The message will appear on the screen, and you'll also receive an email from PMI. Once selected, you have 90 days to upload your audit documents. Common reasons why people fail the PMP application audit. Audits are generally straightforward. However, individuals can fail the audit for the following reasons. Their project descriptions were too vague or looked operational. They couldn't get their experience verified by their reference. They submitted incomplete or incorrect documentation. Check out our in-depth video on 6 reasons for PMP application rejection to learn why PMI may deny an application. Here's how to set yourself up for success in the audit. Use clear, direct language when writing your project descriptions. Demonstrate that you took the lead on the project, rather than just participating in it. List your responsibilities using the PMBOK language. Get consent from your reference before listing them. Double-check all uploaded documents before submission. Save a copy of your application as a PDF document before submitting it. Stick to PMI's word limits between 200 and 500 words. You can also have your application reviewed and rewritten by us using our PMP Application Review and Rewrite service, which has been used by over 500 individuals to pass the application process on their first attempt. Now, let's address some quick questions you might have. How do I know if I'm audited? You'll see a message on your screen right after applying, and receive an email from PMI informing you that you have been selected for an audit. How long do I have to respond? You'll have 90 days to submit all required documents. What if I can't reach my verifier or reference? Find someone you know who has worked with you on that project and go ahead and update your form. Will PMI audit me again if I fail once? If your application is rejected after the first audit, PMI will automatically audit you again when you reapply. Can I appeal a failed audit? Instead of appealing to PMI, it would be better to consider their feedback, correct the issues they highlighted, and reapply. Getting selected for an audit can feel stressful, but it really doesn't have to be. If your experience is documented according to PMI's expectations and your documents are in order, you'll be in good shape. Many candidates pass the audit every single month. If you'd like help reviewing your PMP application to pass on the first try, we offer support via our PMP Application Review and Rewrite service. Please refer to the link in the description for more details.